Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you fix Instagram not loading photos properly. So if ever you open your Instagram and you can't see that specific photo or it's not loading, so what you're going to do here is you just have to follow the method I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you a few methods right here. First, troubleshoot your internet connection. So you can go to Google web browser and then run a speed test to make sure that your internet is strong or you're connected to a strong internet connection. One of the reasons why your Instagram application is not working properly or not loading photos properly is because of your internet connection. So you have to make sure that this one is or your internet is strong enough. And then what you're going to do here is click this run speed test and make sure that your Wi-Fi or your internet data connection is strong. The second thing to do here, if you know that you're connected to a strong internet connection, data or Wi-Fi, is you have to go back to Instagram application, long press, tap app info, and then here you have to go to storage usage and then click clear cache. Okay, so don't worry, it will just delete temporary files. And then after that, go back and see if this method worked or if it solved the problem. If not, exit app information and then go to Google Play Store or App Store. And then this time you have to search for Instagram. Make sure that your application or Instagram application is up to date or you are using the latest version of your Instagram application because if not, then the application will not work properly, including the video or photos. So you have to make sure that this one is up to date. Once updated, go back and see if it fixed the problem. If not, the very last thing to do is to uninstall your Instagram. Go back to your Google Play Store again or App Store and then reinstall this application. Log in and see if it somehow fixed Instagram not loading photos properly. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.